Canberra is the capital city of Australia and was selected as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne, the two largest cities in the country. The city was officially named Canberra in 1913, derived from the Ngunnawal word for meeting place. Canberra is located in the Australian Capital Territory, ACT, which is a federal territory. The city was purpose-built as the capital and constructed in the early 20th century, with its design based on the principles of the Garden City movement. The city was designed by American architect Walter Burley Griffin, who won a design competition in 1911. Canberra is known for its extensive greenery and features many parks and nature reserves, earning it the nickname the Bush Capital. The Australian War Memorial, one of Canberra's most significant landmarks, honours those who served in the Australian military. The Parliament House, located on Capitol Hill, is the centre of political activities in Australia and features a unique design with a grass-covered roof. Canberra hosts numerous national institutions, including the National Gallery of Australia, the National Portrait Gallery, and the Australian Institute of Sport. The city is home to Lake Burley Griffin, an artificial lake that was created to enhance the beauty of the city and provide recreational opportunities. Canberra's climate has 4 distinct seasons, with hot summers and cold winters. The National Archives of Australia is located in Canberra and holds important historical documents, including the original Constitution. Canberra is often overshadowed by Sydney and Melbourne, but it has a vibrant cultural scene with numerous festivals and events throughout the year. The Royal Australian Mint, located in Canberra, produces all of Australia's coins, including commemorative coins. The city boasts several educational institutions, including the Australian National University, ANU, one of the top universities in Australia. Canberra has a population of around 460,000 people, making it one of the smallest capitals in the world. The city features a variety of architectural styles, ranging from modernist designs to colonial buildings. The annual Canberra Balloon Spectacular is a popular event that attracts hot air balloon enthusiasts from around the world. The National Museum of Australia offers insights into the country's history, culture, and Indigenous heritage. There are several national monuments in Canberra, including the Captain Cook Memorial Fountain and the Federation Guard. The city is organized into districts, with each district designed for a specific purpose, such as residential, commercial, or recreational areas. The War Memorial hosts an annual Remembrance Day ceremony on November 11th, honoring fallen soldiers. Canberra is the focus of many national celebrations, notably Australia Day on January 26th. The city is surrounded by mountains and nature reserves, making it a popular base for outdoor activities like hiking and cycling. Canberra has a strong emphasis on sustainability, with numerous initiatives aimed at promoting environmental awareness. The city's public transport consists mainly of buses, making it easier for residents and visitors to navigate. The Australian National Botanic Gardens showcases a wide variety of Australian flora and offers stunning views of the ACT. The city hosts the National Festival of Australian Dance, celebrating various dance forms across the country. The Canberra District wine region is known for producing high-quality wine, particularly Shiraz and Riesling. The Australian Federal Police Headquarters is located in Canberra, emphasizing the city's political importance. The National Gallery of Australia houses over 166,000 works of art, including significant collections of Australian and international art. Canberra has hosted several international events, including the 2000 Summer Olympics, where some soccer matches took place. The city features innovative public art installations that enhance its urban landscape. The Australian National University, ANU, is home to the largest collection of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander materials in the world. Canberra has a vibrant food scene, with various cafes and restaurants featuring both local and international cuisines. The city often ranks highly for livability due to its quality of life, safety, and education options. The National Film and Sound Archive preserves Australia's audiovisual heritage and hosts various screenings and exhibitions. Canberra experiences a phenomenon called Canberra winds, which are strong winds that can occur during spring and summer months. The city has a diverse population, with over 30% of residents born overseas. Canberra is known for its outdoor recreational activities, including boating, fishing, and picnicking around Lake Burley-Griffin. The city's name is sometimes abbreviated to CAMS by locals. Australia's highest court, the High Court of Australia, is located in Canberra. The city features numerous cycling pathways, making it bike-friendly and popular for cyclists.